Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can make from a mobile phone charger. First, you need to take apart the charger. To make this easier, heat it up with a hairdryer. Now, use a knife to open the cover and remove the circuit board. Next, you need to desolder the USB connector from the board. Now, solder the wires where the 220 volts are supplied, as well as the wires in place of the USB connector. Next, I took the case from an old power supply, but you can use any box of suitable size instead. Solder the wires to the plug to supply power to the board. Secure the board in the case using hot glue. We'll also need a relay with a 5-volt coil for this do-it-yourself project. Also, secure it with hot glue. Now take the second part of the case and make a hole in it for the USB port. Insert the port and fix it with hot glue. We'll also need a 18650 battery and we'll secure it in the same way. To monitor the battery charge, we need a TP4056 board, and the last thing we need to secure is a step-up voltage converter from 3 to 5 volts. Now we take the second part of the case and connect everything according to the diagram shown on the screen. We arrange the wires and close the lid. The do-it-yourself project is finished. Watch it in action. Plug the unit into the socket. Take the USB cable and connect your phone. You can see that the phone is charging. Now, imagine the power goes out. As you can see, the charging continues. When the power goes out, the relay is triggered and the charging comes from the battery. As soon as the power comes back, it works from the mains again. Who liked this homemade project? Give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.